Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I will show you how to create trust wallet account on Windows 11 PC. So before getting started, we are new here, make sure to subscribe us and press the bell icon. While we are uploading a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So in here I will show you step by step how to create trust wallet account on Windows 11 PC. So before that, in here I will show you my YouTube channel how to install the trust wallet account. So simply I will open the browser. In here I will type YouTube. So here we are new here, so simply open up this video. In here you can see how to download and install trust wallet on Windows 11 PC. So in this video I will proceed with the steps how to create trust wallet on Windows 11 PC. Here is the method. Check out the video how to download and install trust wallet on Windows 11 PC. So here I will minimize this. So by the help of an emulator called Noxplayer or any other emulator, if you know, so simply recommend me in the below down comment section. So I should provide you the video. In here I will open up the start menu. In the search bar I will type the Noxplayer. Here you can see. So in here you can see Noxplayer successfully opened. So the trust wallet is already installed on the Noxplayer on Windows 11 PC. As you can see that currently I'm using Windows 11. So in this process I will show you here. Open up the trust wallet. As I mentioned that you can install the trust wallet on your Windows 11 PC, or even you are using Windows 8 or Windows 10 PC. In here you can see create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet. If you are already having a wallet on trust wallet, simply click on I already have a wallet and enter your wallet address and enter on trust wallet using your Windows 11 PC. So here is create a new wallet. So I will click on the create a new wallet. So in here backup your wallet. Now in the next step you will see 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. In here click on I understand that I lose my recover words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So click on the box and click on continue. Here you can see this the your recovery phrase, like write down or copy these words in the right order and save them somewhere safe. So in here I will copy each of them. I will copy all of them. Simply I will open up the notepad. In here I will paste this. So I will click on the continue, because in this step you will be asked to type each of the words. So the first word you can see bring. I will type one by one. And here you can see that I've entered the 12 first word. So I will click on the done option. And here you can see click on the done, your wallet was successfully created, and click on the cancel button. Here you can see that my trust wallet is successfully created on Windows 11 PC using the Noxplayer. So easily this is the process how you can use your trust wallet account on the Windows 11 PC or Windows PC. So here as you can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB smart chain is already added. Here is the current prices are showing that the Bitcoin price is $29,866 and the Ethereum price is $1,798 and the BNB is $269, and there is the smart chain. So there are some other tutorials that are related to the trust wallet. In the futures I will be uploaded that soon for you. So make sure here to support us by subscribing the channel to make motivate us and to provide you more interesting videos about the cryptocurrency or about the any other related videos about cryptocurrency. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section.